Maryland entrepreneurs and seasoned business veterans. Let's have a quick chat about something super important, but often overlooked when it comes to setting up or maintaining a business. We are talking about your registered agent. Before we go over what a registered agent is and how to get one, give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. So, you might be wondering, what's a registered agent? Great question. Every business, from small startups to big enterprises, needs to have a registered agent if they are operating in Maryland. Think of a registered agent as your business's official point of contact with the state. We are the ones who receive legal documents, official correspondences, and any sort of notification on behalf of your business. This includes things like lawsuit notices, state correspondence, and other official documents. Now, you might think, why can't I just be my own registered agent? Well, you could. But consider this. 80% of businesses in Maryland who act as their own registered agent miss crucial deadlines or misplace vital documents. Not the kind of stress you want, right? And that's where we come in. Welcome to legalregistration.com. Our dedicated experts are all set to be your registered agent in Maryland. By partnering with us, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Meanwhile, we can take care of ensuring you never miss a critical notice. Now, for those curious minds out there, why is having a registered agent in Maryland even necessary? It's not just a fancy title. It's a state requirement. Maryland mandates that every business entity operating within its borders has an in-state registered agent. So, whether you're in the brainstorming phase of your startup or you've been operating a business for decades, this is one box you've got to check. And now, for the best part. Why choose us? Besides our top-notch services and dedication, here's a fun fact. Out of all the registered agent services out there, our organization ranks as the #1 registered agent service in the nation. That's right, #1. Our expertise, commitment, and genuine care for your business success are unmatched. So why wait? Give your business the support it deserves. To sign up for our registered agent service, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, does it make sense to you why registered agents are so important to businesses? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.